Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Stellar from Gemini to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your Stellar tokens for trading, staking, or just better portfolio management, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Stellar is a popular cryptocurrency for fast, low-cost transactions, and transferring it between exchanges like Gemini and Bitmart is straightforward once you know the ropes. But remember, crypto can be risky, so always double-check everything to avoid losses. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Bitmart. If you haven't already, sign up and verify your identity. It's crucial for security. Log into your Gemini account and navigate to the wallet section. Find your Stellar balance, then click on the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll select Stellar as the asset you're moving. Next, you'll need the Bitmart deposit address. Head over to Bitmart, log in, and go to your wallet. Generate or copy your Stellar deposit address. Double-check that it's for the Stellar network to prevent any errors. Back in Gemini, paste this address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount of Stellar you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Gemini might charge a small withdrawal fee, so factor that in. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process quickly since Stellar transactions are fast. Keep an eye on the blockchain status. It might take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Bitmart wallet. Pro tip: use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure, and never share your private keys. After the transfer, check your Bitmart balance to ensure everything arrived. If there's any delay, contact support on either exchange. And that's it, you've successfully moved your Stellar. This process might evolve with 2025 updates, so stay informed. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.